How long do you think it's gonna be? Like the stream or the wait before the development? I think I'm gonna stream for like 1 hour, maybe 2. We'll see how it goes. I just wanna get started on the... Maybe I can go in this cam. I just wanna get started on the farming update. I wanna make new video about farming and building stuff, like containers to put the seeds in and stuff like that. Yeah, the stream. Okay, so it's gonna be 1 hour, 2 hours max. Thanks for joining, guys. Do you like live streams? I was thinking I can like do one a week, just to talk with you guys, do some game dev. Maybe after the Sky Islands look. Yeah, you didn't see it, but in the next update there is going to be a new island model. I guess you're gonna see it now, so I can just show you. I can boot up the game. Yeah, so it's not just a cube. Yeah, well, there is one cube, but we have the first flying island. It's only one model, but it looks nicer. William, yeah, so you would like to see more live streams. Okay. If this one will do great, I will try to stream more. So yeah, we have new islands. I can go there with some resources, trees, some rocks scattered, and also the boulders and everything. Like these are all mineable. And these are all resources. So it's starting to look better. It's not just a cube. We'll see. We of course need more islands and more content, but I think this is a great start. Maybe hotkey for switching from first person to third person. Yeah, but we would like to stay away from third person, and like there is one main reason, and that's that we don't want to deal with animations. You know, when you have a third person game, you have to have like animations for building, crafting, walking and stuff like that. So only third person so far in the game is like ship steering. You will see your character now, but we will add just like steering animation. Character design. Not sure what the character is going to look like, but it won't be just a beam, that's for sure. We don't know, and we suck at designing characters, so we will see. I'm learning Blender. Okay, nice. I started learning Blender, but I'm bad. That's why I'm not doing the 3D models. Me too, really bad at it. Yeah, it's hard. I'm gonna stick with coding for now, but we will see. So yeah, we are on the first island. What tutorial series are you doing, guys? I started like a 5-day course on Blender on YouTube. Okay. I guess I should start planning something. Hi, IT Ron maybe I butchered your name, but welcome to the stream. I'm doing fine, but it's I'm a bit stressed. This is my first live stream. I'm not sure how to do things, if it's all working correctly, and stuff like that. Yeah, but I'm doing great. How are you? Hello, bad boy. Do you intend to add some more monsters to destroy the ship? Yeah, maybe some flying monsters or something that you will have to repair the ship. That would be great. Hello, Fast Food. Show us the dog. Maybe later in the stream. Hi guys. My friend and me are trying to learn Unity and C#. Yep, go for it. It's a great skill to have. I'm working full-time as a web developer, but I like C# also. Also guys, if you have some ideas for the game or anything and you just don't wanna comment on YouTube, I also have a Discord. You can find it in the description. It's not active, but if you wanna join and maybe just post some ideas there, I will see it. Unreal or Unity? Well, I just recently switched from Unreal to Unity. I don't know. Watch my video. I like both of them. They're just tools. You can make great game with either one of them, so you don't have to stress about it. I think Unity is easier to learn if you just don't wanna use blueprints. I never got to the C++ building, C++ coding style of Unreal. I just was using blueprints, and I think C# is like easier language to learn. What is your idea for the game? Well, I overscoped my last project so much that I didn't even finish it, so I would like to keep this one like with a smaller scope. We want to add some small story. You will start on an island and you will build your first airship and like fly away from the island and just follow some story, upgrade your tools, some light story. We are not really great at making like stories, but you know, some simple stuff like that. And I want to focus more on building the ship, like upgrading everything you have, and maybe some bosses. Could you call it calling the ship too? Yeah, we could, like when you are exploring. But for example, when you get far away from the ship, you will be automatically teleported back onto it. So when you just fall from the ship or stuff like that. C# or C++? I enjoy C#, yeah, William. Do a grappling hook for traveling between islands. Yeah, that's a great idea. I saw the game Worlds Adrift. They had a grappling hook. It looks fun. I'm not sure how to do it, but you know. How many hours do you work on the game on an average day? So I have a full-time job, so maybe 1 or 2 hours a day. Sometimes when I'm in mood for it, I will go for 4 or 5, but you know, average I think is 1-2, because I have days that I don't do anything. You should live stream more for ideas. Yeah, I like talking to you guys. Like, there's 10 of you watching this, so I'm glad you're enjoying this. I suggest apples falling from the trees for food. Yeah, we just don't have any food bar yet, and no health bar, but some food from the tree will be for sure added. From the comment section, yeah. Or when you cut it down. Yeah. When you cut it down. I just wanna... So far, when you cut it down, it will drop you the constant thing. But I want to add some like random stuff with lower probability, like for example 3 seed for this farming update, and some apples maybe when we have food system. Hi Vincent, welcome to the stream. Glad you can make it. Do you plan to put the game on Steam? Yeah, we would like to, but it's so far away. But we would like to. Yeah. We wanna do some tests and like beta tests, alpha tests on each IO. So if you guys want, I can ping you on Discord or somewhere. I will post the link for each IO and do maybe some shipbuilding competition. Who can build a better ship, get something. Hey Zevkel. Is it costing money? Like what? Will this game be free? We don't know. Like we put a lot of hours to the project and maybe free to play isn't the way to go, but like $3, maybe $4 for a copy. Just watch your videos. I hope you like them. Yeah. I'm super slow at editing videos, so every video takes me so much time, but I enjoying it. Bro, you're a genius. Welcome to the stream. And why is that? Oh, you are doing those farm game. Yeah, cool. If you want to send some screenshots, feel free to. I would like to watch some of your guys' project, like what you're working on. Yeah, but I need to get doing something. How far are you planning to take this game? We don't know. We don't want to make like the big scope, so maybe add some item. We will see. It's a hard question because we are just beginning. Sorry, Yossi, but welcome to the stream. Are you making this multiplayer as well? Nope. No. This will be single player only. I'm sorry. I like to play multiplayer games, but it's hard to make one. I made some in Unreal and it was a pain, and I'm afraid Unity will be the same. Learn JavaScript and C#. I hate JavaScript. I can't stand it, so maybe it's good, but I hate it. Only if you want to tell us where are you from. Yeah, I'm from Slovakia. Network code is hard as hell. I agree. Are you using some sort of global... I didn't even start making the game, but making the farming update. Does it make sense that the crafting table... Yeah, it doesn't, but it looks better when it's filled. Maybe it gives you like... I don't know, it doesn't. After you build them, we can add them to the table from like a script or something. But yeah, if you don't have anything, you could just take it from the table. Yeah. I hate how there is no script editor inside of it. Oh, I think there is one. Rider Flow Unity. I don't know if you're using JetBrains stuff, but Rider Flow has like built-in editor. Yep. Here. Yeah. And it's free. It's a package. It's free. I was trying it, but I don't know. I like their editor, Rider Flow, or Rider. I think it's Rider. Oh shit, the Discord link isn't working. I'm sorry. I will wait. I will generate a new link. If I remember how to do it. Invite people, yeah. Edit. Never expires, generate. Okay guys. Here is the link. Sorry for the trouble. And yeah, Saka, try this. It's free. It has like search and highlighting, stuff like that. You can like organize your hierarchy, and it also has built-in editor. Carl! Hello, my man. Nice to catch you streaming. Yeah, I didn't stream like for a while. What do you use for coding outside of Unity? Yeah, I will show you. It's also from JetBrains. I think it's called Rider, but I'm not sure. Saka, I never heard of it. Thanks for telling me. Yeah, try it. It was great. I think I'm gonna start using it, but you know, I'm just lazy to get to know some better. Okay, so I think it's called Rider. I don't know actually. About JetBrains Rider, yeah. That's it. Visual Studio Code, yeah. Studio. I'm used to these JetBrains products from work. I use their PHP Storm for PHP, so I really like in this editor I can just shift and search for every like script in my project, and even Explorer, assets. Like I can open every script here. I really like that. I don't think this one is free, but if you're a student, they have free student licenses. Okay, I would like to start planning the farm thing. I set up like this room cam. Hello, I'm a professional streamer. Look at this, so professional. Yeah, we will just sketch something up. If you have some ideas on how to do farming system, just let me know. I will steal it and use it for my game. But yeah. Farming system is simple, really. Yeah, I think it will be simple. Like, I need few things. I need some object that will be buildable, so you can place it on ship. And for example, this will be two-seater, so you can plant stuff here and here. I need to add seats, like a new item to the game. Try watching other game dev with similar idea. Yeah, but you know, I like to figure something out on my own. But if I'm lost, I will watch another. Yeah, I watched Fin Matrix. I really like his Devlog style, so I watched. He's making now the farming game. I really like it. What indie game are you adding the farming to? The raft game? Yeah. I just want to have like a place on the raft where you can plant seeds and plant like trees and just do a little farming on the raft, on your airship. So yeah, let's make this. Let's make this. It will be start, and we will do something at least. Nice, yeah. I enjoy farming in games. I played a ton of like farming games with my girlfriend. It's easy to water plants at least. Yeah. Okay, sheep. Cube. Okay guys, we are starting, finally, after 20 minutes? Yeah, 20 minutes. This will be our plant box. How do I start being a YouTuber? I'm not sure it's the best question for me. Just make a video, I guess. I'm planning to. Yeah, make a video, learn how to edit, like at least cut stuff, get a better microphone than webcam one, and you will do great. I enjoy making videos, so I always had like YouTube channels. This is, I think, my 5th one. Okay. Let's add more cubes. Insane. And it has a box collider. Plant. Plot. Not sure if it's right, but just make a video, same advice as how starting. Yeah. Great advice. How to become a programmer. Just make a program. I'm the best YouTuber you know. Whoa, nice. Thanks, man. Insane. Yo, what's up, Monotunes? Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, I'm excited for the release also. It will be fun, but it's so far away that it's hard to like even think about it. But I really enjoy working on the game. Comment now if you're a YouTuber. Lol. Do you have any advice for simple program idea to make in C#? I would like to give you some, but I don't know. Tic-tac-toe in console. I don't know, but you will find like Bardo. You will find a lot of videos with beginner C# courses that you can follow. I learned everything I know from YouTube. And just making stuff. Thanks, please, Diablo. That's a great one. You should do that. Okay, so we are just making... Pablo says hi. Yo, that's nice. We are just making this top part interactable. So when I aim at it, it doesn't do anything. Hey Max, welcome to the stream. Okay, so we'll have an item that is planted, and here we can check if something is planted. Return. If something is planted, so I think plant it like it's occupied. Hello from India, and then you corrected it to, oh no, like, oh no, don't like please. Hello from Iceland, yo. Welcome, Iceland, insane. Welcome to the stream. Hope you will enjoy your stay on my first live stream. Yo, Saka, it's lagging? Hope not. Okay. Let's put it at public for now, so I can just test it out. Hello from my mom's house. Okay, enjoy. Okay, I will plant something in it. Yes, X is a good stuff to plant for sure. You'd like for me to, but it's good again. Yeah, we just recently moved to another town, and the internet it's not so great, so maybe there will be some lags, but hopefully it will sort itself out. Something planted. Okay, we are making a progress. Okay, I need new item data, name, image, prefab, max stack size. Doing great for our first live stream. Thank you, William. I didn't autocorrect. Yeah, autocorrect is weird. I always like turn it off. Okay, so we have item data and we have tool data. Every tool will have a durability. It's not yet implemented. It has a use animation, tool type, and its damage. That's great. But I would like to add a new tool, item data plant. Bad idea to rename stuff like this. Yeah, I'll just delete this. Is there gonna be enemies? Yeah, there will be some animals and enemies. But for now, no. But it's in the plans. Yeah, okay. We need what we need. It will be public list of game objects to represent the growth stages. Yeah. Bro, please make power. Maybe local networking, like power current. Yeah. Power would be great. I like the upgrade in Raft where you just get electricity and automation. Split screen. I'm not sure what they're talking about, but okay. Okay, growth stages. So we will just replace the plant object when it grows. Then we need public float full. Time to grow. I'm not sure if this bet. Time to grow will be, for example, 2 seconds for now. Pablo likes the stream. Okay, cool. You are with him? Glad you're enjoying it. Thanks guys for joining. If you haven't already, like the stream. Let me know you like it. Okay, time to grow. That's great. In public. That could wait for now. We will see. I'm also really bad at spelling, so I get you. I will add a new 3D model and oh fuck. New 3D model. And that's the cube again. I'm really great at 3D modeling Blender, yes. And this will be our plant and we will get seeds from it. Great. This will be ground resource. And we will create a new resource. Nope. Script. Yeah, not really organized. Yeah, new resource. New resource, and it will be plant for now. And resource name is plant. Max health 1. Prefab, I don't think it's used. We can just remove it. Tools, you can take it from with hand, and it will give you. Yeah, we have to create item first. So new tool. Okay, I forgot something as always. New plants. Mr. Beast is cooking on my TV. Okay. Are you going to add multiplayer? I know it's very hard. Yeah, Mr. Bobo, welcome, but we are not going to add multiplayer to this game. Yeah, sorry. Oh, Willem, I'm sorry. I will be more careful. Yeah, for now, single player. I think next game could be multiplayer, but it's really hard. We'll create a new plant. It will be plant, very original. I don't think ID is used, nope. We will plant. Item, yeah, arrow, why not? Prefab, for now the plant will be this box, yes, of course. 64 stack, row stages, for now nothing. Yes, okay. And now let's edit the resource. Plant, let's add the plant quantity 1. So this cube will now be resource for plant. And now that I think of it, I should rename this object, not a plant, but seed. Okay, now it makes sense. Okay, let's catch up with thanks. Yeah, sorry Willem. I wanna help you with the game, for real. Yeah, help would be nice, but I don't know how to manage it. We have this Trello. Yeah, all tasks are here, so maybe you will help when you let me know on Discord what are the bugs and stuff like that from testing, but for now we don't need really help. You are the best. I'm not the best at all, but thank you. Hello Sleepy Foxtail, welcome to the stream. The pro builder is for making levels, but I really use Fennec. Yeah, I haven't even tried pro builder yet, so I don't know. I would like to help out a second blender and coding. Yeah, William, you're helping enough when you just watch the stream, watch the videos, and you know, be here. Yes, you are, Christina. Thank you. I've seen your last devlog. Really liked it. Yeah, thank you. I'm glad you liked it. I tried different devlog style. Like all my other devlogs are like overly edited, and this one I kept it like chill. So yeah, I enjoyed it also. The editing was a lot quicker, so if you like it, I'm glad. Okay, I forgot where we were, so let's just play it and we will see. Okay, so everything is planted. Plant. Okay, when I press E, okay, I added the plants to my inventory. So yeah, we have a seed. Let's go. And when you can, yeah, not the best prefab I chose, but you know, it works. That's the seed. Why not? Let's go. Yeah. Can you sell stuff? Yeah. I enjoyed it in Stardew Valley, so maybe we can add something like this. We don't have like any money system planned so far, so we will see. Yeah, so this is our plant. We have to plant it now. Let's go. Okay, plant plot. Interact. In-game purchases or not? No, there will be no in-game purchases. Okay, I need to see if we can access the stuff the player is holding in his hand. So inventory manager instance, but dot hand slot maybe. Okay, we will see. Okay, no, because I'm not holding anything in my hand. Let's take this. Okay. Yeah, but I need something else. And I think our music just died. Oh, better. Okay, let's take a look at our inventory manager. Inventory manager. And see if we have something selected. Selected hotbar item. This is what I need. Okay, let's test it out. No, that's great. And I take boots. Not what I want. Item instance. Forgot to say something. Hello YouTube. Yeah, this will be probably edited for the next devlog, so If you wanna say hello and be in the next devlog, I will include this part. Okay, so let's try this. .item item name. Yeah, this should work finally. Okay, error. That's nice. Rock. Okay, let's go. We can access the item. I need to cast this. Oh, item instance, item in hand. Let's save it for now. And now item, let's see, Google, my friend. Can you give me a shout out in the next level? Yeah, I can. Just a second. I can put it right at the end. So if you watch the whole thing, you will see yourself, your name there. Unity. I'll probably watch the whole dialogue. Yeah, that's good. Thanks for the support, man. Let's take this plant, equip it. Seed, item data, okay. Error, that's good. And, okay, nothing. Okay, so if it's a plant, I need to try it. Is anyone in chat except... Yeah, I don't know. Maybe everyone got bored. We will see. Okay, so this is... If it's a plant... If it's not a plant, don't do anything. You can't plant it. Just return. Hey, a null number. Thanks for sticking in the stream. Okay, so we are sure that we are holding a seed item. That's cool. And I can... Item instance. Okay. Item in hand. Okay. Okay, let's test it out. Now when we take the seed, plant it. Let's do this. So far nothing is planted, that's good. So when I come closer, I should see plant a seed. Okay. When I give it like a rock, for example, take it. Nope. It doesn't want to rock. Okay, I will take a plant, and this is my seed. when I planted, something planted. Let's go. Sorry, I missed anything and my PC died. What happened? No, we are just making a bit of progress and talking to chat. Is there gonna be seeds? Yeah, this will be like potato seed, carrot seed and stuff like this. Yeah, seeds. Okay, so we can plant it when we are holding the seed in hand. We need to remove it from inventory. So let's add a new thing in our inventory manager. Yes. And we will call it like public remove. Okay, so when we call this thing right here, inventory manager instance dot remove selected items, we should see it will be removed from our inventory, hopefully. Okay, boom, let's take a seed, plant it. Yeah, it's planted now. It's not my inventory and it says something is planted. We are making progress. You tried Mixamo for items? Yeah, I know Mixamo. I used it for my other game, but still dealing with animations is hard. Maybe someday we will try to add third person hotkey. It will be cool, but like, you know. Hi man, welcome to the stream. Glad you can make it. Okay, so we have the basics now. Great thing. Unity is play mode. Yep, I should probably enter that. What's the big shadow when you pick up the seed? Yeah, I will show you. Okay. You pick up the seed. When you equip it, I put just random prefab. And this shadow right here is this big box that represents the seed you are holding in hand. Like, you know, when you hold, like, for example, something normal, you see it in your hand. When you hold, like, for example, this, you see it in your hand, but I put just random prefab. So yeah, this is the big shadow. Well, yeah, I get you. Yeah, it will be cool, but it needs time. For now, the first person is great. Mighty big seed. Yeah, biggest seed. Okay, let's do some growth logic. It's getting dark. Yeah, so I enumerator plant grow button. And we will just do one stage for now. You wait 4 seconds, and we will take the seconds from plant. That time to grow, yeah. So it will be 2 seconds. I type and it waits and then send my message. I don't know why. Like, delayed. I don't know why. I'm sorry that's happening to you. What time is it? Yeah, it's 8:30. 7:30. Yeah. Okay, so this will wait, and now let's do every plant spot. Oh, 12:23. Okay. Create empty. This is where we spawn our items, so let's go here. Public game. Oh, nope. Let's do it. Transform. Plant. Transform. Origin. Good. Let's assign it because I will forget. Okay, let's ban this guy. Boom. I'm sorry. He is gone. Okay, let's do this. Let's add a transform. Plant origin. And what we will do is instantiate the planted growth stages. Yeah, I just put it like a list, but no, I wanna array of game objects. Growth stage is 0, and we will instantiate it in the plant transform origin. Yes. I hopped onto YouTube when I saw your live stream. Yeah, cool. Thank you for sticking by. You know, the live streams will get better once I have some like idea what I'm doing. So yeah, I was playing World Box. Not sure what that is. Okay, so let's do one thing. This seed. Let's add some growth stages. So when we just plant it, the seed will be boulder. Yeah, of course. And then when it grows up, the seed will be pickaxe. That makes sense for now. Good. Very great, sip down. Let's do it. Should work. Let's try it. Oh, you are plugging Dani stuff. Yeah, I know. I know what Carlson is. You can wish list it. Look at this. Perfection. Now, it started. But it's planted. It's out of my inventory. We can see it's planted. But funny thing is now that I can mine it. So yeah, when I take pickaxe, I can mine this thing. Yeah. You know, not the best. It's a start. I'll pick something different. I don't know. This box, yeah, that's good. It will be big. Yeah. Or stone, yeah. This stone is small. And it will transform into wheel. Nice. Thank you. You're on Oppo phone. Cool. Let's do the growing logic. So when the grow time passes, game object, this can be private. Object and will be called current growth stage, and I will save this one. And now when the time passes, I will just destroy this and will instantiate next growth stage. For now it will be this. Okay, and now I wanna, when I plant it, I wanna start the coroutine with name plant growth. Dani meme, yo. Yeah, that's comment. Why did I do it? Okay. Let's try it out. Let's take a seed. We have seed in our inventory. When I press E, it's planted. Oh. It's working. You just don't know it. This is wheel, I think. And it was changed after 2 seconds. Let's just check. Yeah, it's a wheel. Let's take a look. Yeah, I just squashed it. Dobra. I won't deal with it now. Maybe I can add a new... rotation. That position. Maybe this will be better. You have the best content I've seen in a while. Oh, nice. That's great to hear. I'm glad you're enjoying my videos. Let's take this cube. Boom. Let's go. And now? Yes. A wheel. Insane. We have the basics. Done. Now, let's make it better. Or not. Let's not make it better. Let's make it worse. Let's take this one. Full grown flower. And make it into prefab. And I will assign it like a last stage of our growth. Items. Seed will be flower when it's done growing. And now we should have the full loop. Let's do this. You should do a challenge where you try to remake this game but in a Roblox studio. I never tried the Roblox studio, so it will be it would be horrible. Do you have a dog? If you do, does it hate its harness? No, he actually got used to it. Let's take the seed, plant it, wait 2 seconds, and I can collect it again. Yes, we have fully working system for planting and collecting stuff. Yes, 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 yes. Let's try to see if we can just do this and do 2 plant, and we have 2 flowers right here. Okay, we have 2 seeds, take 1, equip it, plant it, another one, take 1, equip it, plant it, oh, plant it. Let's go. My dog runs away when he sees it. That's cute. I don't know, our dog got used to it pretty quickly. It has 3 models right in the studio. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. I can try it. It will be a fun challenge for a video. So we have 2 seeds now. When I equip it. Oh, okay, I see the problem now. I can't just do this because I will lose all the items. Remove item, no. No. Drop item, nope. Okay, remove item is the function I want to call. So let's go here. Instance remove item in inventory manager dot instance. Selected hotbar index and remove 1 quantity, which is the default. And then I can just remove this thing. We don't need it. And now let's add 2 plants to our inventory, to our slot, and now it should like detect only 1, yes, and now, yep, it's working. Let's see. Can you make faster equip somehow? Yeah, like faster than this? Yeah, I think my friend thinks the items should go right to inventory, like to hotbar when you pick them up. I think we are going to add that. But for example, we can, when I, words? Okay, we can see it, okay. I edit stuff like this. When you click on the item and you have just opened, it will be fast move to that spot. So at least this is faster. Just add the apple model for trees to drop. Okay, thanks Stefano. Stefano is the guy who is working on this game with me. So yeah, say hello. Can I join the Trello? I will make like public Trello for maybe ideas, but this is development Trello. Here you can see what will be in third devlog and stuff like that. But I will make a public one and share it in the next devlog, so we can add some thoughts or ideas. You can see what we have done. A lot of bugs are still in the game, but you know, it's only the beginnings. Okay. Plant box. Let's add stuff like this to our ship so we can build it. Building objects. For example, engine will be planter box. Final mesh. Planter box. Resources. Let's make it a prefab. Savable entity. Add it to the planter box. And also ship part. These are scripts that handle saving the game. We will have a video on that for sure. Paste components new, and I will generate new ID. Okay. I need to create preview mesh. So let's just duplicate it. Remove this one. Planter box preview. Let's break the prefab. Now done is streaming, cool. And let's add buildable. Okay, so this is the preview. I think we have to remove all the logic from here. Remove. And this has a box collider, yeah. It's a trigger and it will be preview base, buildable material, buildable, not buildable. Okay, let's add it to the preview. Planter box, let's assign the correct stuff now. This is, yeah, preview mesh, this, final mesh. Where is it? Here. Name will be planter box. Snap to grid now, rotatable can be, it's going on a ship, and there are no requirements. What do you mean, Vincent? Why? Oh, I forgot one thing. Let's go into our HUD. To our build menu, add a new building object. It will be planter box, and let's try it. Planter box. Okay, we need to move the origin, but we can plant it. Let's go. Let's move the origin. I just hit play again. Resources, planter box. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Sip, can I join the Trello? Oh, I was saying you can't join this one. I will make a public one. Like, this is our internal Trello with our task and everything. But I will make like public Trello for you guys, so you can just put some ideas and we can check it later. Okay, let's correct my mistake. Planter box preview, go away. I need to unpack this prefab. Yeah, let's unpack. Let's add empty game object. And let's parent this one to there. Okay. Model. Resource. Let's delete. Yeah, let's delete this one. And add this one. And I need to do the same thing for the preview. So I guess let's just delete this. Unpack this and let's change the materials. Maybe I can select all of them. Buildable, yeah. Planter box, preview, and I will remove this logic. I will remove colliders. Say something. What just happened? I'm not sure what just happened. Are we still live? I don't know. Hey Nick Bell, welcome to the stream. Glad you can make it. Yo, Saka, is anything wrong? Is the stream going? Not sure. Okay, let's add this preview here and need to change stuff in scriptable object, planter box. Let's preview mesh, preview, and the proper final mesh here. And we should be able to add planter boxes to our ship. Stream is okay for me. Okay, so that's good. As I said, my internet is not okay. We have a problem. I forgot something as always. I need to go back to the planter box. First of all, move this higher. And I need to add a box collider. As a trigger and add a preview base with buildable and non-buildable materials. Yes, this should work. I can remove this component. Let's just try. Let's planter box. Boom, let's go. Boom. Plant the seed. Okay, I will. Let's just take 2 seeds and plant one right here and another one there. They will grow. I can take and plant them right here and here. It's a start. Oh, that was for, yeah, okay. On place, there's error on place. Oh, I know what it is. These have to set savable entity, generate ID, and ship part. Yes, and I can remove them from here. Great, and I can take the Y value from this and use it in here. Oh. And also I can make the preview slightly larger, so okay, this should do it. Yeah, turn the lights. Okay, yeah, I will. Just wait. We have lights, let's go. Bring the dog. Not yet. I just want to help. Can there be different tool tiers? Yeah, there can. There will be like iron tools with better durability, better damage. So yeah, there will be too. I don't think he was trying to be mean. He was just curious, so yeah. I wanted to try the planter box now. Okay, cool. And when I put engine on this ship, can we just ignore this? Ignore it. Yeah, okay, so we can move with it. Let's go. Yeah, I will create a community trail. We have the basics. Now just to make it better. I just want to try something. Just give me a second. I want to... This seed will be a tree after it grows up. And if this works, it's cool. It's officially cool, and you have to subscribe. Let's take this plant, use build a planter box here. Ignore. Okay. Plant this seed, and when it grows up, it will be 3. And I can cut down the tree. Yes, cool. Okay, I like it. Do you find it difficult developing games and doing YouTube? Not really. I enjoy making videos. So yeah. Did you hardcode the camera on the... It's a cine machine. It's a cine machine. It comes from the first person template that Unity provides. Pok. I0, welcome to the stream. It's pretty pok. Oh, do you mean like when I go behind the wheel? It's using cine machines. Ignore the X. You didn't see anything. Yeah, it's cine machine. Switching the cameras. There is one ship camera. How can I show you this? Ship camera route, yeah. And there is the camera for the ship. So I just switch cameras. When I disable this, it will go to the first person. If I enable it, it will go back. When did you start making games? Well, a long time ago. I think it's 9 years, but there were a lot of pauses in that. I made a video about it if you want to see my... Oh, that's me. Cool. Let's go here. I made a video about my journey. 8 years, yeah. And it was a year ago. I think this was my first game. I'm not sure. It's like endless platformer. We generated stuff. Well, I started with Blender game engine. Yes, Blender had a game engine, and there I just remember like yellow cube moving and collecting some coins. But this was first like Unity game. 2012, Ice Runner, yeah. Then this was a game that I made for a streamer, also today, like a hard platformer, but with pre-created levels, not generated. yeah, this was basically my favorite game. I didn't finish and I still like miss it. This was like, if you ever guys played Overcooked, this was basically it with farming. Yeah, you can see I made also farming here. It was also in Unity. You can like dig stuff out, the other player can plant it, there is a watering can, you can fill the watering can, and you can bring all the crops to the farm stuff. Then I made some like mobile games. I made a multiplayer shooter, and then I tried RPG, but we failed so hard. Yeah, so if I wanna learn more, there's this video. I don't think Vincent was being rude, but okay. Let's just change the topic and see. RPG, yeah, but the RPG had like big scope. It was impossible to finish. We have all these plans, but you know, overly ambitious for two people like team. I will show you some sketches. RPG. Yeah. All of this, all of the lore, all of the images drawn by my uncle, all of the creatures, big creatures, army and stuff like this. Yeah, we had a lot of plans, but you know, it's hard. We also had like big map of the open world. I'm not sure if I show. Oh, it's right here. Yeah. That's me 1 year ago. Oh, yeah. This is the map. There were some currents. It was the town. Desert. Yeah, but unfortunately it was impossible to finish. I love that series, even though it was hard saying goodbye to the project because I spent a lot of time working on that, but you know, it is what it is. I really like working on the airship now. Hi, welcome to the stream. Guys, there's 17 of you. It's great. This is my first stream. Glad you are here. We are making the farming for the airship. Can you try it again? Yeah, William, we can try it, but it won't be our dream game, you know. All these plans and stuff we have imagined, we would have to scratch, and it just doesn't make sense anymore to us to make it, because it wouldn't be the game we wanted, and it will just be another RPG, and there are a lot of RPGs, so yeah. This project is scrapped. Let's work so we don't have to do it again. You should use Playmaker. I never heard of it. Oh, maybe I have. It's like blueprints for Unity. When you say us, like you and other persons, or did you have? Me and my uncle were planning to make this game. He did all the drawings. He did all the models. So yeah, me and my uncle. And now when in airship, I'm working with my friend who is doing the models. So yeah, as you know, I'm really bad at models. So yeah, 23 likes, insane. Thank you guys. Where were we? Okay, we can plan stuff. Insane. Will there be... Oh, music is not playing. I'm sorry. should be better. Oh, you guys joined the Discord. Welcome fast to the Discord and welcome outdated. Welcome guys. Thanks for joining. And let's see the chat. I closed it. Will there be pirates or other flying ships in the game? Ships maybe, like abandoned ships, but pirates no. I don't think we will have that kind of NPCs in the game. I want to make RPG game. Yeah, good luck with them. Good luck. But keep in mind, if you're a beginner, it's hard. It's hard to make the game. The thing is, whenever I start the project, I end up realizing that my code structure is wrong. Yeah, that can happen, but you know, if you want to be perfect from the start, you will never start. So just, you know, rewrite what you want and keep going. UA5 is good. I tried it. I tried it when it's beta. I think it just released now. I can wait for the next devlog. Yeah, it like takes me, for example, I think day or two to edit them, but I need to finish this farming system like properly, so we can have another devlog. I think in a week. I think it's possible. I don't have a Discord. It's okay. You don't have to join. It's okay. It's okay. I need to update the links. Thanks for letting me know it doesn't work. Let's do some more coding and development for plant plot. Not the best name. Okay, I need to do for loop right here. From 0 to planted dot growth stages dot count length, okay. And then we can do all this right here. Wait for 2 seconds, destroy the current stage and replace it with the I, not first one. Now it should work for more than one growth stage. We will see. Let's test it out. I don't see any other live videos on your channel. Do you have a way to watch past lives? You know, this is my first live, Nick. So when we have more live streams, there will be on my channel. And I think also this one will be saved there. So when we have more, you can watch more. I will work on small projects and then the big one. That's really good idea. That's really good, William. Let's test it out. Let's add more growth stages. That doesn't make sense. Okay, let's add 4. It will go from stone to stairs. Don't ask, guys. I'm just choosing stuff. It will go to wall and then go to 3 every 2 seconds. Let's just try it. Boom. Maximize. Let's add a planter box. Let's take 1 seed. It's enough. And let's watch this show. Let's go. From this to stairs, yeah? To something I don't remember. Wall, I think. No, it's broken. It's broken. I'm just lost this. Okay. Oh, it is. You don't have to be sorry, Nick. Yeah, glad you like the channel and glad you are enjoying the live stream. Yeah, Vincent, great idea. This is just first prototype, but it's really great idea. Why did it broke? Vincent, I will make a Trello task because of you. Let's go. You are here. You are saved. When it loads? Hello? Let's go. Thanks. Why don't you add water to the scene? Like to the bottom? I don't know. We can add it. What's your least favorite part of game development? Great question. Give me some time. I don't know. Coding is my favorite, but least favorite. I think doing art, because I'm bad at it, but I don't know. Live streaming? No, I enjoy live streaming. I just need to get better at it. Guys, what did I do wrong? Every 2 seconds I was expecting a new growth stage. Art is the best. Well, Nick, if you're great at art, that's best for you, yeah. I'm really bad. I was trying to learn Blender, but I'm really bad. If there was water at the bottom. Ah, okay. There'll be... Yeah, from below. We can edit for sure. So far it's just a void. I was thinking maybe not adding water and maybe adding like a dense cloud layer right here so you can't go past it, or maybe water. We will see. We want to add flying islands, so we don't want islands in water, but as a ground it can be done. Let's... Guys, help. I'm bad at coding. I regret everything. Let's see. What did I do wrong? Crafting station, planter box. Let's go. Hey, glad you liked the devlog. Okay, let's go. 0, 1, 2. Oh, it's working now. Okay, I'm not sure what happened, but it's working. Okay, cool. Let's test it one more time. Boom. 2 stairs. 2 wall. 2, 3. Yes. Let's take the axe and cut it down. Guys, we are making progress. It's insane. I'm an okay artist. Oh, you are a composer, cool. I never tried making music. And I think if I gave it a try, it will be really bad. Yeah, 2 years, wow. Yeah, William. Blender is hard. Just send me a link, Nick. I would like to hear some of them. Okay, so we have growth stages. Let's do the idea Vincent suggested and make... I'm not sure. I'm really bad at giving names to my scripts. I'm not sure if you noticed it, but I'm really bad. It will be... Nope. It will be new script. Growth stage. I'm not sure. But we will try. Growth stage, Vincent. We are thinking the same. I didn't read it, I swear. Growth stage, let's go. Please open, please. Okay, there will be only two things. Public game object growth stage prefab and public float time to grow. Please, thank you. Are you planning on making trees plantable? Some trees I would like to have. I would like to plant, yeah. Sip, what happened to the open world RPG game you were working on a year ago? Yeah, I was talking about that earlier on stream. It was really big scope and we just gave up with Uncle. I loved the game, I loved working on it, but it was just too much. My HP computer is laptop is 5 years old. Cool. That's not that much. Make sure, yeah, I will. Let's go. We have a growth stage and now in the data I can do growth stages, and right here I need to change this, but this should work. And for yes, I can remove this one. Time to grow, we don't need that. And I want to wait for planted, growth stages, Y, time to grow. And I want instantiate planted dot prefab. That's it, I think. Bro, how could you do the RPG though? I don't understand. Make coffee trees that you can plant. Yeah, I can use a coffee right now. That's just devastating. Yeah, it was really hard. I spent a lot of hours on the game. It's hard. Yeah, I didn't touch game development for like a year then. Hello, Butterflow. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. Do you have a website with contact info I can send you? No, but I have Instagram. You can find zipdev on Instagram. It's not active, but you can DM me there. Yes, that's it. Okay, cool. Vincent, you are agreeing with this. I can do my RPG game because my dad has a full... Oh, he's full on PC, cool. You might make a horror game. Oh, that's cool. What is it going to be about? Can you tell me what will happen if I download Unity assets from Unity assets for free? I'm not sure what that is, but if it's like pirated assets, that's not great. You shouldn't use that asset in your game. Yeah, Vincent. I wrote it down earlier that I want to do like size restricted planter boxes. Raft has it also that you can plant trees in the big one. Okay, let's just test this change if everything is working. Let's take. We have to modify the item. So object seed. Oh no. Hey Nate, welcome to the stream. Vincent, I need help. This should be, I think, I'm not serious. This? So I can just say, yeah, okay. Cool. We are on the same page again. Insane. Let's first stage will be an X. Why not? Time to grow to next stage 2. Next one will be box. Why not 4? 4 please. 4 seconds, and the last one will be a 3. So we just tested 3, 8 seconds. Insane. Let's just test it. Ooh, planter box. Let's plant it. Let's take our seed, our arrow, plant it. Okay, X. Okay. Looks cool. You take coding class. Yeah. Me too. I'm a massive beginner, so I watch a lot of devlogs and tutorials. Yeah, but make sure not just watch, William. Make sure to do some of the stuff, because if you are just watching the videos, you are not learning much. You have to try it yourself. Is Rider Flow a Unity plugin? Yes. Yes, it is. I'm going to study computer science next year. That's cool. That's cool. I learned a lot about coding from my work. I work full-time as a developer for like 4 years. Okay, Vincent is working. Thanks for suggestion. And we can add your next suggestion for this thing. Let's go here. For this, I can create. I always forgot how to write these things. I want to make enumerator with data. I know I made it. Oh, this. Yes, I want to do this. Go away. So. I don't know. That can be it. I've made unfinished project like FPS. Oh, we have a lot of projects. Yeah, I was trying a lot of different things. I think it's normal that you switch projects when you're just trying to figure something out. Demo coming out. Yes, we want to have demo. We want to make like this. What is it? Like competition between my subscribers, like who will make the better sheeple and who will build like better and nicer stuff in the game. So yeah, demo will come, and I will need screenshots from you guys on somewhere, on some forums, and we will look at your creations. There is no demo at the moment, William, but there will be. Okay, so we have plant size. And we have to add this plant spot will be plant size. I will put it somewhere else, but for now it's good. Plot. Okay, if plant is not null, and if plant dot plant. Where did I put it? Yeah. Ah, planted. Yeah. Plant dot. Why is it not showing up? Give me some time. Okay, thank you. I'm hoping in the VS Code gonna... Oh, C++. Do you like C++? Send a DM on Instagram. Oh, cool. I will check it after. Must I start 2D or 3D? It's really up to you. It's really up to you. Why is it not working? Should I save? Go to the Unity. And now go back. Plant size. Vincent, help. Filippo, thank you. Plant. Why is it static? Oh, I maybe know what I did wrong. I need to do this. I'm dumb. Plant size. Plant size needed. Yeah, sometimes I'm not the brightest thing in the world. Plant size, yeah. Dot. Plant size needed, yeah, I got there. If this doesn't equal the plot size needed, go, nope, return. Not good enough. And now we can only plant the stuff we need. Hi, RFG gamedev. Yeah, you haven't. Yeah, I wasn't thinking. I was thinking this is like property, but I needed to create this. So yeah, love your reads. Excited to play the game. Thank you so much, RFG. I might have to go to sleep. Yeah, I'm not going to stream for long, so you just go to sleep, have some rest. RFG, you have to go. Nice to see you. Thanks for sticking by. I sent it twice. Yes. Yes, you sent it twice and you think you can stay. Yeah, that's cool. But I will just stream for like maybe, I don't know, 5-4 minutes more. I just need to finish this thing so I can add to the seed. This is a small thing. No, it's a huge thing. And I will do one thing. I will put one planter box right here. And this is for small things and this one is for huge things. So now I shouldn't be able to plant the seed here, but I should be able to plant it here. Let's find out. Where are you located? I'm from Slovakia. No, RFG game dev is gone. Yeah, he's gone. Okay. Nope, don't let me plant. Great. Let me plant. Insane. Insane, insane, insane. It's growing. I can stay up. Thank you. Thank you, William, for staying up for me. Oh, that's huge. Can I get a shout out? Shout out for you, William. Is there a big game dev community there? I basically don't know any other game devs than me. So, I don't know. I'm not very social, so maybe there is, but I'm not part of it. Insane, Vincent. We are a great team. Just join every live stream and we can make this game together. Can I get a Hoya? Hoya, bro. Fetzik, you have COVID. Go lie down and take a rest. Don't watch me. But welcome. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I saw. Okay. We made a lot of progress today. I feel like, but let's check our GitHub. Let's see what we did. Blackwoody R, insane. Insane, insane, insane. GTA, nope. I actually got some motivation to start something again. Go for it. What you gonna make? Okay, I will do last thing on the stream, and that's making another planter box. Different design, and it will be for huge seeds. So yeah, let's unpack this. Let's, for example, 3 planter box, I don't care. Savable entity, generate a new ID. Model will look basically the same, just like and there will be only one plant spot like this. That's good. This one will be for huge stuff. Cool. That's basically it, I think. Only save this one. 3 planter box. Okay, let's unpack it. Set a different material to M buildable. Remove this stuff. Add a box collider. Make it better. I hate it. You know what? Good enough for now. Okay, it's a trigger and it's a preview base. Wait, I'll catch up with chat soon. I just need to get this done because I will get lost. I don't need logic here. I don't need any logic here and here. I don't even need this plant origin. And, that should be it. Let's rename it to preview. Let's go here. Okay, now let's make a new buildable object. Scripts. I'm not sure. Building? Objects? Yeah. Let's copy our planter box and rename it to 3 planter box. 3 preview. Planter box. Snap to grid. Nope. This is it, and let's just add it to our HUD so we can choose it from very nicely styled menu. I will use it for a while now. 3 print blocks. Okay, let's check. Planter box. Good. 3 planter box. Great. Okay, let's take this seed, and it's a huge one. I should not be able to plant it here. Nope, and not here. Yeah, but I will plant it here. Looks like it's working. Let's let it grow and catch up with the chat. I really want to tackle Unity's new networking solution. Okay, go for it. Do it and then teach me, Vincent, okay? I will stay up as much as I can, so I will watch to the end. Thanks, William. Can everyone please get a shout out in the next Devlog? Yeah, but it will be a retention killer, so probably not, but you know what? I know who you are, so if you comment on my video, I will know who you are. I hate Chrome, it closed out of nowhere. Never had that problem, but you know. There are a lot of problems. What games are your favorite? Oh, I like shooter games. I play Valorant a lot these days. I play some PUBG. My favorite RPG was on PlayStation 2. It's called Final Fantasy X. And I like Raft. As you can see, I'm trying to do this. And I missed my favorite YouTuber. I can be your favorite YouTuber, Saka. I can. Try Probably Builder, it might be easier. Well, I'm not doing the 3D models, so maybe my friend can try it and see. It's been 2 hours. Yeah, well, time really flies. But yeah, I will end soon. This is my first gonna be completed stream. That's cool. That's cool. How do you stay motivated to finish game? Nothing janky. First of all, welcome to the stream. And I don't know, you have to just be really into what you're doing. And I think devlogs and you guys really help me stay motivated. Making videos, seeing the response, seeing the likes, comments. It helps a lot doing YouTube with your game. And try to keep some sort of schedule so you don't just forget about the game. Valorant poke, yeah. We can do it sometime. We can queue up. First stream done soon. I will follow your work for a long time. I'll never unsubscribe. That's cool. Thank you, Willem. It's good for some prototype levels. Yeah, I saw some videos about it. Looks cool. Interesting, thanks. Yeah, try to make devlogs, I think. When you're just alone, or maybe do it in team. Solo dev alone, without devlogs, without some interaction. It's hard. I like to just look at my previous devlogs and see how the game progressed. You can also already see in airship devlogs that it really progressed. Started from nothing and now we're here. Interesting. Yeah. How are you gonna tackle the raft collision with islands? I have no idea. I think I have to add rigid body and stop it just, and maybe add some damage to the touching or the part that crashed, but it's not yet done. I don't know. We have to look at it. I've never really commented on it. Oh, cool. Oh no. We have bots spamming Let's delete it. Insane. I'm great mod. Oh no. How do I ban this guy? Yeah. Let's just... Oh. He's gone. I think he's gone. I don't know. I don't know actually. Okay. I think he's gone. I like disabled his messages. What? Okay, sorry guys. How long have you been working on this game? 2 months maybe? I don't know actually, but I think around 2 or 3 months, max 3. Sorry for the spam. Oh no! I'm so sorry, Saka. Can you comment now? Now you should be able to comment. I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. Rigid body would probably do the trick. Yeah, okay, cool Vincent. I will try it for sure. That's not bad, Nick. Yeah, we made pretty good progress. We have inventory, we have crafting after a new devlog. How is it happening? Why the bots are spamming? They're always changing the account he's spamming. Yeah, I banned him again, but he's also always changing the account, so maybe we have to end the stream. I'm so sorry guys. What is RB? It's rigid body. Yeah, we are moving the draft by changing the transform. We have to change it to rigid body type movement, because I think with transform it will just try to clip through. I keep trying to scroll up, but YouTube stresses. Oh, sorry, William. Not sure what's happening. You learned from YouTube or school? I learned from YouTube. The thing is though, it would be physics based. That's a bad thing? I don't know. I would disable the gravity so it just doesn't fall down. I don't know. We have to figure something out. Okay. Guys, I think we have a lot of stuff done. Maybe I can change it. I will be professional streamer. Look at this. Bam. Insane. Insane, insane, insane. It would be with fixed update functions. As I said, Vincent, not sure, but we will see. Less responsive, yeah. Maybe I can add some like custom collision detection. I can shoot out raid casts and check if it hits island and then stop ship movement. We will see, we will see, we will see, we will see. Can you make a better looking UI? You don't have to. Yeah, guys, everything you see here in the game is basically a big placeholder. Like, we don't want a building menu to look like this. This is just convenient for us to just test things and we don't have to worry about the UI design and stuff like this. Also, the hotbar is just transparent black squares. So yeah, we will add some. We will make it better for sure. Just it's not the priority right now. My priority for this game, like, it doesn't have to be pretty for now. It just has to be functional and usable. And yeah. What type of code language does Unity use? It uses C#. What's the difference between fix update and update anyway? Update calls every frame, so it's dependent on your frames per second. And fix update, it's called in intervals that you can define. William, insane. Thanks. Cool, cool, Vincent. Like the weight factor. We want to add a weight factor because like one balloon should only hold like, for example, 6 of these foundations or more. So we will add like these type of check. And when you build more than the balloon can handle, you will start going down. So it's like just kind of fake weight, but it will be cool of having acceleration also be dependent on the weight. Sorry for barely any advice. You don't have to give advice, just enjoy the stream. I'm glad you're here. Yeah, we have beans, so yeah, it's triple A title. Okay guys, I think we've made some progress today. We have plants, 2 different planter boxes, growth stages, times between growth stages, harvesting basically. We have a lot. Next, I want to add watering, and I want to add ability if you don't water the plant, it will die, and stuff like this. So yeah. And yes, we want to add Unity particle system. Yeah. A lot of work ahead of me this week. But I would love to get like Devlog out either next Monday or maybe during the weekend. We will see. So boys, have you enjoyed the stream? You've been hanging out with me all this time. Maybe I'll do it more often. Is your character controller rigid base too as well? I think it's using the character controller like this base, and I think it's rigid body controller. No, rigid body push. I think not. I don't see any rigid body components, so nope. Okay. Can you give me a shout out, please, next Devlog? Yes, I will put your name right at the beginning. And sorry, William. Happy Easter to you too. I don't really like the default Unity controller because I think it's broken. Look. When you, for example, jump and pause, jump and open inventory, it will just stay flying. I think it's a bug that I implemented, but you know. Hello, first time here. What game are you making? Welcome, first of all, and I'm making like raft building, like airship building game where you can like build your own raft. Set up engine, set up planter boxes, we are working on that. Build, for example, stairs, railings, and explore stuff. You can also find loot, collect resources, and stuff like that. it's just the beginning. We have full Devlog series on my YouTube if you're interested, from the beginnings to basically now. I released my last Devlog like 2 days ago, I think. So yeah, if you want to catch up, these 3 videos are for you. Thanks for stopping by. Glad you liked the idea. Are you pausing using the timescale? I'm not. What I'm doing, Zach, is disabling the script. Not the best. I have to add like something to stop just movement keys, not disable the script, because I think it will be handle the stuff. Rolling Thunder, thanks for subscribing, man. Welcome to the stream. I'm looking. Okay. I'm not reading the message. Oh, you are making Omen. Cool. Yeah, I'm doing basically the same thing, I think. It's hard with this Devlog. Okay, look, professional streamer. Different cameras. Someone subscribe and say, Philip, insane subscription, thank you. Lucky 44, first of all, welcome. Are you going to make it balloon? Yes. Like, you have to build more balloons to extend your ship. But for example, when you upgrade the balloon, when you learn how to craft a new one, bigger one, it will let you like build more foundations and stuff on it. Ah, alright, nice. Yes. There is I was reading your message. There is a player input. I think I can just, or start assets input. I think I can just disable these ones and it will work. I don't know. We have to try. It's a bug that's in our Trello for like since the beginning, I think. I just like ignore it for now, but it's a problem. Like, we will for sure fix it. Oh no, bodies again here. I hate it. I hate it. Hide. Okay, guys, sorry, but he will come again with different account. I'm not sure. Luis, your game looks amazing. I'm glad you like it, man. I'm glad you like it. Yeah, it handles physics. Hi! Well, I'm gonna butcher your name. Mashia? I'm not sure, but welcome. Glad you like the project so far. We are just beginning basically, but glad you like it. And welcome to the stream. We are just ending the stream and I can just force myself to end it because I like talking to you guys. I'm not sure. I think they're spamming every streamer, but in my chat, because it's a lower view count, it's just more noticeable. I really like their Rust building system. Yeah, they have building system cool. I like their like circular menu. Maybe we can implement something like this too. Suk, welcome. Don't worry, I'll be here next streams. That's great to hear. Yeah, I will for sure stream more. I really enjoyed it, like hour passed and I don't even know. Yeah. Let's wait. Professional streamer. Ending the stream. I'm gonna head off. Me too. Me too, Vincent. Thanks for help. Thanks for suggestions. They're implemented already. Bye bye. See you guys. I have exams tomorrow. Good luck, Vincent. Good luck on your exams. It's not showing me. I have lower bitrate, but you know, maybe it's lagging. Shout out. Okay. What's up? Suck. See ya, guys. Thanks so much for being here. And I will see you in the next stream or maybe video. Thanks for sticking by. Bye bye.